Most people think investing is for rich people. They think you need thousands of dollars, a financial advisor, and some secret knowledge that nobody ever teaches you. But here's the truth. You can start investing with just $100. And that $100, if you do this right, could change the entire direction of your financial life. Stay with me because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to put your first $100 and why waiting even one more month is costing you money. First, understand what investing actually is. Investing is simply putting your money to work so it grows without you doing anything extra. Instead of your $100 sitting in a bank account earning almost nothing, it's out there working for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The earlier you start, the more powerful this becomes. A 25-year-old who invests $100 a month will have significantly more money at retirement than a 35-year-old who invests $500 a month. That's not motivation talk, that's just math. Time is your most powerful asset, and right now you have it. Second, open a brokerage account today. I'm talking about apps like Fidelity, Schwab, or Robinhood. They are free to open, free to use, and you can start with as little as $1. No paperwork, no meetings, no minimum balance. Just download the app, verify your identity, connect your bank account, and you're an investor. It takes less time than ordering food online. There is literally no excuse left. Third, put that $100 into an index fund. Not a random stock. Not crypto. Not your cousin's startup idea. An index fund. Specifically something like VOO or SPY. These track the S&P 500, which is the top 500 companies in America. Apple, Google, Amazon, Microsoft, all in one investment. Historically, the S&P 500 has returned about 10% per year on average. That means your money doubles roughly every 7 years just by sitting there. You don't need to pick winners. You just need to own a piece of everything. Fourth is set up automatic investing. This is the move that most beginners skip, and it's the most powerful one. Go into your brokerage app and set up an automatic transfer, even $25 a week or $100 a month. You won't miss it. You won't even think about it. But 10 years from now, you'll look at your account and wonder why you didn't start sooner. Automation removes emotion from investing, and emotion is the #1 reason most people lose money in the market. Fifth, never touch it. This is where most beginners fail. The market goes down, they panic, they sell. Then the market comes back up, they missed it. The people who build real wealth are the ones who invest consistently and leave it alone. Down markets are not losses, they are sales. When prices drop, you're buying more shares for the same money. Stay the course. Think in decades, not days. Here's your action step right now. Go download Fidelity or Schwab, open a free account, and put your first $100 into VOO. That's it. You are now an investor. Not someday. Today. If this video helped you understand investing for the first time, smash that like button and subscribe to CashFlow Hacks. We break down real money moves every single week in plain, simple English. Drop in the comments. Are you just starting your investing journey or have you already begun? I want to know where you're at. Let's build wealth together. I'll see you in the next one.